Have a seat.
Thank you.
Tell me about yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Pediredi Sridevi. I am from Nellore district, Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering in RSI Engineering College with an aggregate percentage of 84. I did my project when I was in my final year, which is based on VLSI technology. The title of this project is a rounding based approximation multiplier for high speed and energy efficient digital signal processing. The main agenda of this project is to increase efficiency and speed of the system. Here we are using digital signal processing as a main role in my project, and I have strong technical skills in Python and UI technologies. The UI technologies are CSS, JavaScript and HTML, and I have some of the certificates which are based on courses, nothing but Python project, and some of the certificates on some courses which is nothing but Siemens and Cisco Networking Academy. And I have a memorable day in my college which is I got a certificate which is best outgoing female student of the year 2022 in my college, and that's all about me. Thank you, ma'am.
So, how much are you comfortable with HTML?
Yes, ma'am. I'm much more comfortable in HTML.
How do you rate yourself in HTML?
9.
Okay. So, what is HTML?
HTML is a tag-oriented, case-insensitive, and tag-insensitive programming language. The HTML is abbreviated as Hypertext Markup Language. The HTML is used to design web pages and show the content on browser in a proper format.
What are different tags available in HTML?
First of all, I would like to tell about a tag. A tag is the command that was enclosed within the angle braces is called a tag. Tags are classified into two types in HTML. One is container tag and another one is non-container tag. A container tag is nothing but the tag that consisting of both starting and ending element is called a container tag. For examples for container tag is header tag, body tag and HTML tag. And coming to non-container tag, the tag that only having starting element but no ending element is called non-container tag. Example for non-container tag are BR tag and HR tag.
What is the purpose of link tags?
The link tags are used to navigate the user request from one page to another page. We can navigate the user request in the form of plain text or an image. So we can use link tag as an anchor tag, which is a tag name given as A. The syntax of this tag is an open anchor tag href equal to destination URL some value close anchor tag. If you want to display data in the form of image, we have placed the image tag instead of the anchor tag. Then it shows the image on our browser.
Okay, so what are table tags?
The table tags are used to display the content in the form of table. A table is nothing but collection of rows and columns. So in table tag, we have four types of tags. One is table tag, another one is table head tag, which is name given as th tag, and data table data td tag, and table header th tag.
How many types of list tags are present in HTML?
So actually, a list is used to display the content in the form of list, order list, unordered list. There are two types of list tags. One is order list tag, and another one is unordered list tags. Order list tags are used to display the content in the form of order. For example, in the form of numbers and alphabetical order. So we can declare the order list tag using OL tag, and unordered list tag is used as UL tag. The unordered list tag used to display the content in the form of unordered format. For example, bullets or disks.
Ordered is in which format can we see in HTML? Ordered.
Bullets. Ordered numbers or alphabetical order.
So, how do we design a web page using form tags?
So actually, form tags are used to design the forms. For example, login form or registration form. When we want to design a web page by using a form tags, some of the tags are used here, which are text box, button, text box, submit button, and checkbox, drop down list, and radio button. And text box again classified into three types. One is single line text box, second one is multi-line text box, and third one is password text box. These tags we are using in form tag to design a login form or registration form.
Okay. So what is the difference between checkbox and radio buttons?
So radio button is used to select one item from among list of items, which is nothing but a radio button, and checkbox is to select more than one item among the list of items is nothing but a checkbox.
What is the use of span tags?
The span tag is also called as inline element. The span tag is used to cast directly by specifying the element name or attribute name in HTML program.
What is the use of div tags?
So div tag is nothing but a division tags, which is also called as block level tags. So these tags are used to add paragraphs and background text colors. Text. That's all. The div tags.
Okay. Okay. That is it.
Thank you.